Hey everyone, and welcome. Today I'm making a Copycat Minestrone soup from Mom's dish. It's packed with veggies, comes together fast, and makes a great weeknight dinner when it's hot out, but you still want something homemade. If you're tired of salads and craving something light yet satisfying, this one's worth a look. Okay, so this minestrone soup was super easy to make. I skipped the extra 2 cups of water at the end to keep the flavor from getting watered down, and that worked out well. But once it sits in the refrigerator, you may want to add some water or broth because it will thicken up some. Another thing to note is when cooking the veggies, make sure they're tender before you proceed by giving them a quick taste. I had to give mine an extra 3 minutes or so. And also make sure your pasta is fully cooked. I serve this with Emeril Lagasse's garlic bread. I'll leave a link in the description below. Now it was time to dig in. When I took a bite, the first thing I said was, wow, it was fantastic. I've never had a better minestrone soup than this one. I had to take another bite, it was so good. The seasoning was very simple but effective, with a tablespoon each of basil and Italian seasoning. I think the main key to this soup is to use high quality diced tomatoes. We went with the Muir Glen brand, and that really made a difference. There's no bitter, overly tomatoey flavor, just soup perfection. One last thing about the taste that I loved was adding in the minced garlic at the end and letting it cook for the final 10 minutes. It gives you a more pronounced garlic flavor without being overpowering, one that's bold and balanced. That will be a technique I'll use for soups in the future. This is easily a 1,000-star recipe. It's quick, flavorful, and honestly better than what you get eating out. If you're looking for a simple, hearty dinner that delivers big flavor without much fuss, this one absolutely earns a spot in your rotation. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me something down in the comments below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.